That's a different kind of performance, my dear.
It's a casino,
yes.
Come on.
Anyway, ito lang po ang question ko. Kaya nga po kami parating nagsushow. Dahil ramdam na ramdam ko na madami pa pong mga Team Hopia.
Team what?
Hopia. Yung mga hoping.
Oh my God!
Tama ba po ako? Sino po sa atin ang kasali sa Team Hopia? Itaas po mga
Really?
Ay, grabe kayo.
You notice those who screamed either have white hair or no hair.
Well,
That's how long they've been waiting for this Hopia to develop, yes? But you know the best thing about it, you know what's kept us together, even just on stage? Not just our kids, Robin and Ram, but each and every one of you.
That's right.
It's true! You give us more reason to stay together, even just on stage.
And it's always a pleasure to perform in front of all of you. Dahil it's a different kind of high that we get.
What kind of high do you get when you
high.
see? You get very high, knowing that they're cheering for hope.
Not about the hope. Performing. Iba kasi yung performance, diba?
Well, you know, if I'm about to ask you a question, I'm sure all of you have your questions in your mind, like, why? Why are you even doing this? Oh my God!
Why?
Get over it.
Ito, why? Times are hard.
Well, you know, back in the day when we would do shows, I would always make it really easy for Pops. I would, every single night, the OC in me,
ito na.
I would get all of our things together as we go on the road, like we're doing now. You missed me last night, for sure. You were alone in your room, thinking about me.
There was one time, this is a true story. One time, serious po si Martin, sabi niya, Pops, really, what do you miss about me?
That's what you're asking, right?
Yes, he asked me, and you know, I really have to be honest. I said, Mart, alam mo, one thing I really, really miss about you is your packing.
Yes, every night.
Packing, letter P, ha?
Yeah, because every night I would get.
Kasi akala nyo Pinoy tayo.
No, you went straight to the punchline.
No, because that's the truth.
I would every night
when we would travel, this is the truth, yes.
And I would put everything together. I said, you know what, Pops, take off all your clothes.
Wala naman ganun, sobra.
Leave it on the chair. I mean, the one you're going to use for the plane ride tomorrow.
This is true. He loves to do this.
I will pack all by myself. I will pack all by myself all night so that when you wake up, everything's ready to go.
That's
so
right.
in turn, I really am a mother packer. So
very nice. And he got better and better in packing. Henceforth, single.
And now I'm really packing alone. I'm packing by myself.
What do you call that? What do you call that when you pack by yourself? Mahirap yan.
Pathetic. A pack of lies. Wolves.
I have something else in mind, but never mind.
Go ahead, tell them. These are casino people. They're mature.
They're very mature. What do you call it when someone packs by himself?
What? Is there a punchline? Because
Wala, hindi ko rin alam.
Oh my God! A what?
Ano? FedEx. Iba naman ang trip ni Lori. FedEx, delivery yun. Ano ba?
Well, that's our history in a nutshell.
But we are so glad that no matter what kind of packing we do, you guys are still here to watch us.
Those people back there?
Yes.
They really paid.
I know.
Those are the people who
We
paid.
are still waiting for some friends who are walking in. That's right. Well, tonight we promise to give you a lot of songs. Hopefully you fall in love with our songs.
With each other again. We're the married couples. Hands in the air. Married couples.
Ayan.
Liars. Look at that. It's not even...
Why? That's true. They're married.
How many people are here with your husbands? How many people are here with your wives? How many people are here with their ex-wife? Just me?
Iba kasing dala nila.
Pops, introduce me.
Okay, please.